Make a great choice today with the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, keyless start. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.